Welcome back to my channel. I'm Joe with Smokin Joe's Pit BBQ. On today's video, we're going to be making up some delicious carne asada. Stay tuned. All right, let's get started on our carne asada. And I do want to thank Las Vacas Meat Market right here in El Paso for sponsoring today's video. They provided the meat for this. And check this out. Marinated in-house. Looks absolutely delicious. Got some beef short ribs, got some chuck steaks, and I also got some arrachera, which is fajita meat, but what they do with this is they kind of split it. They split the fajita meat in the middle, which makes it really tender. And you can see how they split it right here. So I'm gonna take these out of the package and I'll bring you guys right back. All right, so I wanna talk about carne asada. All carne asada means is grilled meat. Carne is meat, asada is grilled. Now you can grill any type of meat. Now usually, if somebody invites you to a carne asada, it's like somebody inviting you over for a barbecue. That's exactly what that means. There seems to be a little confusion on what carne asada is. People think that it's a type of meat, but it's not. Now usually it is beef, but you can actually have pork and chicken. You can have puerco asado or pollo asado. All that means is that it's grilled chicken and grilled pork. In this case, carne asada does include beef. So one thing I highly recommend if you want to have a carne asada at your house is visit your neighborhood meat market. Las Vacas Meat Market is right around the corner from my house on the far east side of El Paso. And a lot of meat markets marinate their own meat, but they also sell the meat unmarinated so that you can marinate it at your house. Now check these out. These are beef short ribs. As I mentioned earlier, these are chuck steaks, really nice and marbled. And then here's the arrachera, which is simply skirt meat. And what they do, let me see if I can put this back together. This is the actual skirt meat right here, but what they do is they slice it right down the middle, split it open, which is gonna make the skirt steak extremely tender when you grill it up. So since this meat is already marinated, I am not gonna add any seasonings to it. I might add a little bit of salt, maybe a little bit of pepper towards the end, but I wanna taste the marinade before I actually do that. So lastly, I wanna talk about the grill needed for a carne asada. Traditionally, you want to use an open fire grill, maybe a Weber kettle, maybe my Grilla Grills Kong, maybe my Yoder flat top. Any open fire top grill will work for a carne asada. Now for this video, I'm going to use my Grilla Grills Kong. I've got it running outside at 500 degrees. We'll see you there. All right, I'm outside of my Grilla Grills Kong, my Kamado style cooker. First things first, I've got some green onions wrapped in foil with a little bit of butter. That is a must for a carne asada. Just put them on the side right there. Just like that. We're gonna grab our short ribs, throw them on the Kong. Now when it comes to carne asada, since these steaks are kind of thin, you really don't go by an internal temperature. They're so thin that these cook really fast. So just when they look done, that's when you pull them off. Again, that's because the meat is so thin. Usually in carne asada, it's not like grilling a sirloin steak or a ribeye steak or a tomahawk steak where you want to pay attention to the internal temperature. Just lay these out. And I got a little bit of room for a couple of the arrachera steaks. Throw them on there. Beautiful. Man, that marinade smells delicious. All right, so I'm gonna grill these up for about 4 minutes and I'll bring you guys right back. Oh yeah, now we're grilling. Got that flare up right there. That's exactly what you want. Oh man, that is perfect. A little bit of char on there. Nothing but flavor. Ooh, man. I wish you guys could smell this. Let's flip this arrachera. Oh man, Man, that is beautiful. Look at that. Whoo-wee. This is a carne asada. I'm gonna finish grilling up these steaks and I'll see you guys inside. All right, our carne asada is ready, and check out this spread. We've got our chuck steaks right here. Absolutely gorgeous, perfectly grilled. It's got a really nice red color. Here's our arrachera, beautiful as well. A little bit of char, but not overly done. And check out these beef short ribs. Yes, sir. Now these have a little bit more char, but that's the way I like them. Oh man, this is gonna be good. The smell in my kitchen right now is absolutely insane. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some of this arrachera, just cut it up a little bit, maybe cut it in half just a little bit. We're gonna make ourselves a nice taco out of this. Man, this is perfectly cooked. So I've got my corn tortillas right here that you can also find at your meat markets. I gotta tell you, Adrian and his dad at Las Vacas Meat Market know exactly what they're doing when it comes to marinating meat. It smells so good in here. A little bit of cilantro, a little bit of chile de árbol. Yeah, buddy, let's give it a taste. All right, here we go. Let's give this carne asada a try and see how we did. So tasty. You can't forget your green onion. We call them cebollitas. Put the rest of your green onion inside your taco just like that. Give it a bite. So I gotta tell you, that marinade is so good that it does not need any salt or any seasonings whatsoever. It is absolutely perfect. Let's try our chuck steak. I'm gonna get this charred corner right here. Perfect. And last but not least, our beef short rib. Little extra char on there for me. Yeah, buddy. Man, that beef short rib is money as well, but I gotta tell you, that arrachera is my personal favorite. So Las Vacas Meat Market also turned me on to some of the tortilla chips. I'm gonna give them a try with some of their chile de árbol. I'm gonna pay for this. Dear Lord, help me. I'm just trying to make $1 on YouTube. Woo! Got some heat. Man, that chile de árbol is extremely spicy, but I am really digging that flavor, but my mouth is on fire right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this carne asada video, and remember to visit your local meat markets. And if you're in El Paso, check out Las Vacas Meat Market. You will not be disappointed. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Se hizo la carne asada. Until next time, Joe with Smokin Joe's Pit BBQ. See ya.